In this video, Shay steps back as the activities coordinator, leaving me to plan our 1 week run to Cairns. We stop over once more in Alice for another bakery visit and to fill up on food and fuel, before heading for the Queensland border, stopping at a few places missed on the drive down. From the border we head for the Barra, capital of Australia, with hopes of a Barra pie and maybe catching a few ourselves, finding one of the best free camps of our lap yet. The dry Outback then becomes wet Tablelands as we get closer to Will, who is waiting in Cairns with his hire van, ready to see as much of Far North Queensland as we can.
Get me ready.
Hello again.
Hi.
We have now left Alice Springs after a quick stop. It was, faster than it was meant to be. Yeah. We had plans to get all this washing and stuff done, and half our washing is still wet in the car. So. But we made it for $1 Wing Wednesday.
Oh yeah, that was good.
Shay got a pie that she couldn't go without. So it was good enough. And you lodged a tax and a few other things, but we've now started heading from Alice Springs, and we're going up into, the map doesn't go there, but we're going to Cairns. Mm. And we got 5 nights, I think, to do it. Over 2,000 Ks. Yeah, I counted, it was 5 nights before. Over 2,000 Ks. And yeah, it should be pretty good, I think. But we've just stopped at Aileron because I was never told about this, and I get it when you go to the Northern Territory or Uluru, there's other things that people put more emphasis on, but check that out. And way over there is another one on the hill.
There was another one.
I didn't see another one.
Oh, there is definitely a third one. There's camels and donkeys.
Anyway, it's something to look at when we stop half an hour after making lunch to make more snacks. So, but from here we're going to go up to the UFO Centre because for a laugh, and then Devil's Marbles. We'll just see how far we get today, but the plan is to try and make it to over the Queensland border by tomorrow night and camp somewhere, a free camp out of Camberwell, I think it's pronounced. A bit to do in between there, which we'll go and check out now. We might stop at Barclay Homestead, I've read about, but other than that, I think that stretch is going to be pretty much a bit of driving. We chose not to do Plenty Highway because we'd heard from other people that Plenty Highway says it's closed on our side, or might be open now, I don't know. And then it says technical driving advice from the Queensland side, now that we've spoken to a few people about it. But the people we spoke to took the Sandover Highway and drove, 10 hours or more? Yeah. Because they found it so sketchy. Were they getting followed, did they say? Or people trying to pull them over. Yeah, stolen cars, and I mean that's pretty much the norm, but like stolen camping, touring setups everywhere, and maybe not everywhere, a few, So we're gonna skip that one in favour of going back up to 3 ways, cutting across, and then the rest I might get another map and we'll just see how we go. But
I have no idea where we're going, what we're doing. This next week is all up to Matt. So
pressure to perform. Let's see how we go.
Actually made it before dark.
Yeah.
Nearly finally, new state, new us.
Yeah, maybe finally figured it out.
And this is actually really nice for a free camp. We got our washing hung up.
Yeah, laundry,
All
it's not bad.
Who are we?
And it's only about an hour from Devil's Marbles. So, you're pretty devastated though. Well, there's a chance we might not be going to the UFO Centre.
Oh, I'm gutted.
Yeah.
No, I think what did you say, 5th most impressive?
Oh, ranked 5th highest for sightings or something like that? Yeah.
It's just before Devil's Marbles though, so we might, depending how eager we are to move.
Well, we're going to be at Devil's Marbles for sunrise, so yeah, if we're that keen we'll go back, but
But for now, it's still got some leftover dip, which we don't usually ever have. So we're like savouring it. Body's
You're not
not
getting
stoked
any more.
about it. But some dip and cheese and just actually chilling for once. Vibing.
And we got 6 nights instead of 5. There's
Yeah,
already
Matt was tripping. I thought
there's
so.
already a lot of holes in my planning, so we're destined for a real good trip.
But that's a good problem to have, an extra night. So, anywho, we're gonna snack. See you later.
Oh.
Good way to finish NT.
Hey, what's up?
Good morning. We have made it to the Devil's Marbles. It's, what's the time? 10 to 7. So sun's still rising at about 7:30 at the moment.
Yeah, hopefully we got some time.
But yeah, we'll
looking
go.
nice. I mean, it's not as good as when we drove in, but
We'll see if some light comes through those clouds, but we'll just check this out for sunrise and then maybe go to this UFO centre.
nah. The UFO Centre, unfortunately, is like 20 k's back that way, actually. And then we'd have to stuff around and get the jerry can out and put more fuel in, and kind of sounds just a little bit, from what I read, like a crazy man's little...
Oh,
No, I shouldn't say that.
just a bit quirky.
Yeah, but we have enough in Queensland to keep ourselves busy that we don't need to stress about trying to go to everything here.
So
So
today might just be a big day of driving.
yeah,
And
we're only less than an hour from Tennant Creek, so Shane might buy me a coffee.
You
So,
reckon?
yeah, we'll see what happens.
See you soon.
There is also a campground down there if you don't feel like driving in the dark like we did, but we didn't want to drive in the dark last night, and we had washing to hang out that was still wet, so it's a national park, so I'm guessing you got to pay, but it's there. We made it! Yeah, we're that excited. That was a journey.
That was the journey, actually.
We've only just got to Gregory. 40 people. Booming. Motel pub over there.
With the horse out the front.
With the horse out the front.
Just chilling.
But you have a late lunch and then now try and get to Burketown with some time left in the day. No, I'm all good. Burketown's not the gem in the Gulf that we were looking for.
I'm not even doing this to be a drama queen. There is something dead.
There must be some roadkill around, but I can't see it anywhere. Yeah, the bakery, I don't know if it's open or not. It doesn't look open, and it's a very quiet town, not a lot happening. So we're pretty much just charging on. We've stopped here at the thermal springs, or a bore. I don't know what's going on, but it's over there. Possibly, it looks quite hot. I'm looking from here and I can see it's steaming, so I'm keen to see how hot it is. This does not look super inviting.
It is hot, and I'm not going to put my hand in it.
Have a little tasty taste.
I
Oh,
don't even think you're supposed to put your hand in it. Is it hot?
it's hot. It's really hot. You don't want to be swimming in that.
That
That's
feels like boiling water.
too hot to have a bath in, for
It
sure.
says caution hot water.
And I don't know if you can see the steam coming off the water, running down into this plane here.
Oh, my feet are actually getting toasty.
This is strange.
How's this for a free camp?
This would be possibly the best free camp we've ever had.
Definitely the best view at a free camp. I knew that the falls were here. Didn't realise you actually camped in front of the falls. So yeah, I'm not mad about it.
Given everywhere we've been so far in these past two states, to have somewhere like this where it's sort of, I guess, like unregulated.
Yeah.
Or just like,
It's free for all.
Yeah.
You just roll in. It's very busy, but obviously you can see why.
Lots of people around.
And we came in late again.
Yeah,
not super
it's not
late.
it's not dark,
Yeah.
so
We caught the sunset, which is absolutely stunning.
But yeah, we gotta say we're loving Queensland so far. And this is like off the beaten track as well, you know.
Yeah.
So the fact that this is here, chef's kiss for sure.
Yeah, I mean, Gregory and Burketown didn't really give us much.
But to get us here.
Yeah, we had to go this way anyway to get to Cairns. So this will be good. We'll chill out here in the morning for a little bit and then get moving a couple of hours to Karumba.
Yeah, I caramba.
Go through Normanton and then Karumba. And then
Matt's still chasing a barramundi pie and he's hoping that Karumba comes through with the goods. So,
yeah, otherwise I'm getting a curry pie. Either way I'm having a pie tomorrow.
But hopefully we can actually do a bit of fishing in Karumba.
Yeah.
Because we haven't really been able to have a proper go at fishing full stop, but actually at catching a barra like Pentecost, you didn't even try.
Oh yeah, I put maybe like half an hour worth of time in. So
we're soon going to leave the Lurius barramundi fishing spots, and we need to make the most of it while we can.
Yeah. But we're going to enjoy this, and we'll see you in the morning.
Bye.
Anybody else like to join us?
They only chasing the pellets, or will they have a go at the fish too, the kite?
No, they're primarily after the pellets. The barra is too big for them, they can't eat the barra. But there are some small mullet and things in here that they could feed on if they weren't getting nice pellets with it.
Matt reckons he found us a boat.
I reckon that'll be big enough for Queensland, for the islands. Yeah, to go out to the reef and stuff.
10 grand, easy money.
Yeah.
Aesthetically pleasing to the eye. We could live on it.
Bargain. Crazy not to. In fact, I'll take them all.
We're getting a truck and a forklift. Oh, that's not a forklift,
Tractor.
that's a crane.
Crane, yeah.
Little trailer. We're on. We love Karumba.
Yes. Normanton? No good.
Very strange place. No
Yeah.
pie, and the pub wasn't actually technically open.
Yeah, so the pub basically wasn't open, and then we
lunch.
never got a Barra pie at Burketown. So this trip up to the Gulf so far, yeah. But yeah, Karumba is really nice. We've been to the Barra Discovery Centre, which was really good. We timed our visit with their Barra feeding. We didn't know that, just lucked out that way. And other than that, Karumba's pretty small and sleepy, so we sort of wanted to just get up into the Gulf and be back by the water. Yeah, check it out. So we're going to see if we hang around long enough for the sunset here, and then treat ourselves a little bit because we haven't been able to have a pie or a lunch.
So we're consoling ourselves with the bowl of chips.
And then we'll head back out to a free camp about half hour down the road or something. So
Yeah. Wow.
yeah,
It's
that's
a
it.
little bit windy.
Yeah.
Jumpers around. Ginger beers are here. 10.70.
.63 meters. How? That'd flip Maurice, I reckon. Easy.
Mate,
Right.
don't flip two of Maurice. That actually makes me feel sick to my stomach.
So the story is that this was 1957, July. It was shot, largest ever recorded. I don't know if that still stands now,
Might.
but that's
That's scary. My body, I reckon, would fit in its mouth.
I don't think the camera's going to do it justice.
It just makes me never ever want to swim ever again in any areas where there's crocodiles.
That's dinosaur kind of, yeah. There you go.
Funnily enough, the lady who shot this and her husband shot 10,000 crocodiles in
They
Normanton.
reckon thereabouts.
Yeah. And then they noticed that the population was declining shock.
Yeah.
But they were actually also the people who then got the ban on shooting crocodiles for this area, and then the Queensland government followed suit.
Yeah.
So both croc killers and croc savers.
Yeah. So we are now at, where are we at? I wanted to say Cloncurry. Croydon.
Yeah.
Croydon.
At Lake, is it Belmore?
Yeah, Lake Belmore. Yeah,
Belmore.
I'm away on another planet at the moment. This, whatever this flu is or whatever.
Man flu.
Yeah, it's knocked me for 6. I didn't by any means just take a heap of drone footage and capture the footage in reverse, if that makes sense. So I was pressing record when I wanted to press stop and pressing stop when I wanted to press record, not looking on when I was recording. But
I was like, oh, how did it look? And he's like, yeah, have a look, let me know what you think. And I watched it and I was like, oh, that's nice.
yeah.
Just not sure if having a creative
Yeah.
halt. I don't know. Anyway.
So I'm cooked at the moment. But anyway, we have stopped here for lunch. Had some bacon and eggs. You can go fishing here for Barra, but we need an inland permit for that. There's Barra, Sooty Grunter, what else was there? Yeah, you might be a chance at a Barra.
And you said they release little fingerlings.
Yeah.
So,
And there's also freshies in here
yeah.
for a bit of excitement. So,
The water is actually really lovely temperature. You can swim.
but we'll keep moving. Georgetown's next, and we'll stop somewhere. We are having a laughable run of luck.
It's not been that bad. It's just...
No, it's not. It's just, it's funny. We're at the Enoch Hot Springs, and we're going to swim here. And we haven't been looking into things too much. We've just been like running with it, and then get closer, and Shay starts digging through the Wikicamp reviews. And there's people talking about recent reviews of UTIs and probably the worst, funniest, I don't know, inconvenient thing of all, whatever it is, it's not a big deal. But they're demolishing the old hotel across, like directly on the riverbank. So super scenic, really, really beautiful and serene.
Someone was like, there's going to be asbestos in the river.
Yeah, so we're not swimming. We're just going to go down and have a look, but we're going to rush down and charge. The other reason we're not swimming is the hope is not lost for a curry pie yet, for any pies, because although there was nothing in Mount Garnet, apparently Ravenhoe has a award-winning bakery, or just has a bakery with a lot of variety of pies. Chili beef.
Yeah, but it's 1:30, is it? Yeah.
Nearly 1:30.
And it's 20 minutes away and they close at 3, so I don't feel super hopeful that they've got lots of pies left, but Hot Springs who? We're going.
Yeah. We're gonna shoot past where we were gonna camp tonight, and we'll wing it. We'll figure something out.
And
Otherwise,
if that doesn't work, there's an Atherton Bakehouse for tomorrow.
which is the award-winning bakehouse. So
Catch us at the bakery.
yeah, hope it's still there. We'll see. Yeah.
It's literally like a bath. Put your hand in.
Oh.
Like a bath that you would take your time getting into. You know, like one.
A borderline too hot bath.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Apparently they said that the bit down the end there, which I did feel isn't as hot. But this is literally steaming. Way hotter down there. Even the sand's hot. Talking pies. Tomato, please. Easy. I don't know why you're letting me cut it again. Oh, look at that chili. Was it good? Out of 10. I'll let you think about it. What is your rating out of 10?
Oh. Like an 8 or a 9.
Yeah.
But I think it's also because I'm still hungry. And it was just what we needed right now. Right time, right place.
On the scale of lemon and herb at Nando's to max chili, what would you say?
Oh no, it was very bearable. Like a mild, maybe?
Yeah. Like a 4-5?
Yeah. Yeah.
Delicious.
Report on the curry pie tomorrow.
Yeah. We're on a mission. New plan. What's the plan?
We're going for it. We ain't waiting
We smashed the chili. We were trying to figure out where to camp, and the only place after here that we would go is like 10 k's past Atherton. It's 2 o'clock. That bakehouse closes at 3:30 and it's 43 minutes away. We're just gonna give it a go.
Yeah. Worst case, it doesn't happen. It's fine. We could hang around and take it easy today, but it's raining.
Yeah.
And we're gonna probably come back through this area with Will while we're here anyway. So
We just really want a pie, that's all there is. So round 2, here we go.
I'm speechless. The heavens have opened up. All we need now is a curry pie, and this could be the best day on earth.
feeling?
I don't know what to say about that last hour. I don't know where to start.
Speechless.
Oh,
Full.
yeah,
Stoked.
yeah, all of the above.
Queensland, we love you.
Yeah. I easily, sorry, start that again. That drive was easily the best I've ever done. I don't know about
amazing.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, by far. We've done everywhere we've done so far, but that was like, yeah.
Even better, I think, that it was raining actually, like with all the,
Yeah. And
I don't know, everything was
yeah,
stunning.
Ravenhoe to Atherton, that was, yeah.
You just can't even talk.
The low cloud, there was a point where we weren't even talking. It was just
No, it's speechless. for
Fleetwood
ages.
Mac, the road, the rain, living our best lives.
Absolute vibing. And
Yeah.
to top it all off, a curry pie.
Yeah, and we didn't order two.
Yeah,
She
I was
just-
like,
We said one.
I said just the one.
Yeah. Apparently we want one each.
Yeah.
So, but they were really well priced and they were really good pies as well.
We're super
Yeah.
happy.
Over and out.
See you
3
next time.
pies deep.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
In the next video, we start exploring the Far North Queensland region with Will, 4 months after he was helping us rush to Ville-Maurice and our canopy back in Perth. We head south for Townsville with our first few days filled with wet hikes and wet camps, before crossing over to a sunny magnetic island, scooting around on postie bikes and hoping for a koala sighting. See you then!